GTA 5 cheat codes to unleash godlike powers. Being an action-adventure game developed by Rockstar, every part of the Grand Theft Auto ever released in the past has enjoyed insurmountable popularity among the youth, in particular the millennial generation. And the same is the case of the 7th great addition to the gaming series, GTA 5, which made its way to the limelight in 2013. Having a huge user base from all over the world, it's certain that the decade-old existence of the game hasn't faded any shine in the acclaim it gathered in all those years. Like every other game, users have been desperately seeking cheat codes to unleash godlike powers in GTA 5. There's a whole list of GTA 5 cheat codes available to enhance your gameplay experience and create havoc. These cheats let you immerse in a fun-filled action game on platforms like PC, PS5, PS4, PS3, Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, and Xbox 360. Wanna know and try some? Let's get to know some of the most used and sought-after cheat codes supported on PC, phone, PlayStation, and Xbox. Some quick basic GTA 5 cheats for phone and PC are: keep in mind that the cheat codes placed inside the square brackets are to be used on PCs. For max health and armor, 1999887 bracket turtle. For weapons and ammo cheat, 1999866 bracket tulip. To raise wanted level, 199938448483 bracket fugitive. If you want a lower level, 199952993787 bracket lawyer up. A parachute cheat, 1999866 bracket tulip. To spawn a sports car, 19997274348 bracket rapid GT. To spawn a motorbike, 1999762 bracket rocket. To spawn a helicopter, 19992899633 bracket buzz off. To gain slow motion aim, 19933323393 bracket deadeye. To become invincible, 1997246545537 bracket painkiller. The GTA 5 cheat for max health and armor for PS4 and PS5, circle L1, triangle R2, X, square, circle, right, square, L1, L1, L1. For Xbox and Xbox Series X, B, LB, Y, RT, A, X, B, right, X, LB, LB, LB. For PC, bracket turtle. For phone, 1999887 GTA 5 cheat for weapons and ammo for PS4 and PS5, triangle R2, left, L1, X, right, triangle down, square, L1, L1, L1. For Xbox and Xbox Series X, Y, RT, left, LB, A, right, Y, down, X, LB, LB, LB. For PC, tulip. For phone, 1999866 The GTA 5 cheat for invincibility for PS4 and PS5, right, X, right, left, right, R1, right, left, X, triangle. For Xbox One and Xbox Series X, right, A, right, left, right, RB, right, left, AY. For PC, painkiller. For phone, 1997246545537. The GTA 5 cheat to raise wanted level for PS4 and PS5, R1, R1, circle, R2, left, right, left, right, left, right. For Xbox One and Xbox Series X, RB, RB, B, RT, left, right, left, right, left, right. For PC, fugitive. For phone, 199938448483. GTA 5 cheat code to lower wanted level for PS4 and PS5, R1, R1, circle, R2, right, left, right, left, right, left. For Xbox One and Xbox Series X, RB, RB, B, RT, right, left, and right, left. For PC, use the code LAWYERUP. For phone, you can use the code 199952993787.